Another day, another English lesson. Common mistakes: accept and accept. Do you sometimes mix up accept and accept? Many students do. These two words sound almost the same, but they are very different. Let's learn how to use them correctly. Accept means to say yes to something. Examples: she accepted the gift. She said yes and took the gift. He accepted my apology. He said it was okay. Accept means not this one or but not. We use it to leave one thing out of a group. Examples: everyone came to the party except Tom. Tom did not come. Everyone else came. The store is open every day except Sunday. It is closed only on Sunday. An easy way to remember: accept equal say yes. Accept equals leave one thing out. Common mistakes: I accept your invitation. This is wrong. You are saying yes, so use accept. Correct: I accept your invitation. Everyone except me finished the test. This is wrong. Me is left out of the group, so use accept. Correct: everyone except me finished the test. Now you try. Complete the sentences with accept or accept. Marta 1. She was happy to accept the birthday present. Two. Did he accept your apology? Three. All my friends came to the movie except Anna. Or 4. The park is open every day except Monday. My 5. I don't like any vegetables except carrots. Six. She wanted to accept the new job. Number 7. Everyone finished their homework except Tom. Number 8. We accept your kind offer to help. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the notification bell for more lessons.